I'll tell you what, from a holiday grilling standpoint, I'm glad you brought dessert to the table. Gallette?
Gallette. Sounds fancy.
Yes, sounds French.
Yeah, it is French, but very easy.
What's it mean, pastry?
Well, it's a type of pastry that's folded up and it's stuffed.
Okay, so it's stuffed.
Stuffed pastry. And you can stuff it with savory items. You can stuff it with fruit. In the summer, I use berries and peaches.
Really?
We're going to do a holiday version with pumpkin, which I love pumpkin.
There's a lot of pumpkin lovers in this office.
Use sweet potato. You could use other things, but I just love the holiday smell of pumpkin cooking in my house. And it's not a lot of ingredients. And I don't know if you've seen this puff pastry sheets. Freezer section, so it comes frozen.
Comes frozen, okay.
All I did is unwrapped it and put it on this side of the griddle, and it thawed in about 15 minutes. Otherwise, it would take longer. So it's thawed, and we can either cook directly.
We're going to cook on this.
Directly on this, yeah. So fold it out. This is so easy, y'all. And it's already a square, almost the exact size
Look
that
at
we
that.
need.
You'd think we designed it that
That's
way.
a coinky dink.
It's definitely.
So I beat an egg here with just a little bit of cream.
Okay.
Just a little bit. And I'm going to just paint the edges of it. What this does is help it seal. We're going to fold this up almost like a little fancy envelope.
Nice.
And this just helps it seal up and not pop open. You could even use that heavy cream, plain heavy cream, if you wanted to, because we're going to make some whipped cream in a few minutes.
I've heard about this whiskey cream.
Yeah, whiskey whipped cream. So I just put a little bit on there. That's it. This is ready to roll. We're going to put the stuffing right here in the middle, and then we're going to fold it up.
You're going to fold it up and show me how you fold it up.
Okay. It's pretty easy. And you know what? And if it's not right, they're going to eat it anyway. So I'm just going to scoop out some pumpkin, and I use about, I'd say, about a half a cup of pumpkin per galette. No more. This pumpkin has no seasoning or anything. It's 100% pure. You can buy this already seasoned if you want to skip a step and get the kind that already has the seasoning in it, which is usually cinnamon and clove, nutmeg, mace. Wasn't available today. So I've got some pumpkin pie spice. And you know, this is a matter of how much you like. Does this smell like holiday?
Yes.
So I'm going to sprinkle as much or as little as you like. I put about a half a teaspoon in here.
Okay.
And stir it up. A little bit of sugar in the raw, because this isn't sweetened. I would say this is probably 2 tablespoons in here.
Okay.
Mix it up.
Oh, so that goes on first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right in the center.
Got it.
Right. I mean, doesn't that already smell good? And you can, if you like it really sweet, you can, but our topping's going to be sweet, so it can be.
Oh, that's right. We have the whiskey whipped cream on top.
Yeah. Now, so I would serve 4 with this, and you know, because it's going to wedge out. So I'm going to move this bowl aside, and then
4 servings, Emily. Not 2 like I would say.
So cream cheese. What is that?
Ice cubes.
About a marshmallow size or something.
Marshmallow's perfect.
Da-da. And then I'm going to hit it with a little more of this on the inside. Fold it up. I'm going to do the simple way, because usually I'm talking, and I can't keep track of folding it, like on papio cooking. Have you ever heard of that? Cooking in paper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well,
You're teaching me so much.
I'm just going to pull it too.
Got it. No, I think I'm capable of this.
So this will come out kind of flat, and then I'm going to fold this back. I just like to make it look pretty. And
we're going to cook it right on the griddle, right?
Just like that. Yeah.
This is an unknown, our product, the GrillGrate griddle is not just for a grill, it's phenomenal for baking too.
So this I'm just brushing with some more of that, because it makes it pretty. Gotcha. If you don't do this,
that's called an egg wash.
Egg wash.
Okay.
And you don't put anything in it at all. It's just beat up egg, and I did put a little bit of milk or cream in it. And that's it. Here's a little more sugar in the raw. Yeah. Sugar in the raw is kind of, you know, crunchy.
Oh, yes.
And it kind of keeps, it doesn't just melt and burn. And this is a very quick cook. This will go right to the grill, or
we're going to do it in one of these smart ovens here. This is the Ninja Smart Oven, which our griddles are selling very well for inside here.
This is going to puff up, and you can see you'll get 4 wedges, because remember, we're putting ice cream and whipped cream. All right, you want to do the honors?
I do. The Ninja Smart Oven.
There you go.
These darn things really are smart. I'm going to just push it inside the rails. There we go. Well, look at that.
Perfect.
I'm impressed.
We don't want to lose it in the floor. There we go.
No.
See how that's, see it's soft.
Oh, I'm just kind of already anticipating. Carly Simon's playing in my mind here. Well, the paste de resistance.
Yes. So they're just getting cool now. So I've got.
I won't burn myself after.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
So I've got butter pecan ice cream ready and scooped up, and we're gonna make some whiskey whipped cream.
Oh.
Guess what's in it?
Whiskey.
3 ingredients.
Oh, okay. Whiskey.
Whipping cream, powdered sugar, and your favorite whiskey. So I'm going to put about a cup of our whipping cream. And this is heavy whipping cream, not half and half. Doesn't work with half and half. So I've got a cup. And I'm going to start with 2 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar once I get it whipped up some, and then we're just going to put however much whiskey you like. I'm going to let you taste it for sweetness.
Oh.
Yeah, once I get it whipping. This is so easy now, watch. We're just going to do this for a while. Real hard.
Wow.
Real hard, right? That's it. We're going to keep going. I would do this in a very deep bowl.
Okay.
So we're kind of making a little bit of a mess, but you know, we're doing what we have. But see how it's getting, let me turn it off for a second.
Yeah.
Starting to get stiffer.
Yeah.
So you just got to be, some people add vanilla, you can add other stuff, but I don't want to take away from the whiskey.
You've got so much else going on here. What's not, the little whiskey I'm from with.
Yeah, we don't want to take away from the whiskey flavor. All right, so look, whipped cream.
Bravo.
So now we want to add, I'm going to do 2 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar.
That probably doesn't take much to get in there, does it?
No. Get your spoon there.
Okay.
Now I just want you to tell me if this
back
is.
in my mom's kitchen. Do I get the beaters too?
Yeah, if you want to. Hear me. Turn it on. No. See if it's sweet enough, and we can add a little more. This is more of a taste preference.
I'm going to say a little more, but
Okay.
I have a very bad sweet tooth, as everybody knows.
Oh no, well that's fine. That's what the holidays are about.
Oh, you bet.
Wait. And when to grow on. Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah. So this should be about where we need it, and guess what now?
Whiskey.
Whiskey. Pretty simple. We can measure, but really it takes very little.
Too, right?
Yes, you will, yeah, of course. I'm going to taste it with you, this one. So I got about a tablespoon.
I was excited.
That's it. Well, no, it's not enough. I know. Well, if you put more, if you put too much, it'll be flat. It'll go flat, and it's not whipped cream anymore. Okay. We're done.
Whiskey whipped cream. Here we go.
So, see where you getting? Do we got enough?
Wow.
You like it?
I think it's perfect.
We can put a little more.
Well,
No?
A little more whiskey.
Just a little more. Yeah.
You know, what can I say?
Now, let's do this where I don't over pour. Don't want to overserve.
Story of my life.
All right, we'll put about another teaspoon more. Yes, I know it's on
my
a.
father's favorite.
Oh, yeah?
Oh.
See how I say it serves
Okay.
4?
Yes. Look at that. I
Now,
have to admit, you know, when I first read the recipe with you, I'm like, wow, this is going to be elaborate. This is not elaborate at all.
no, it just looks it.
But I like this platform. Looky there. Oh.
We're going to eat together. How about that?
Oh.
Now, let's put ice cream.
Oh. Oh, yes.
Now, this is butter pecan. Sometimes I find black walnut or pumpkin ice cream.
Ooh.
Now, whipped cream. Of course.
I'm glad Susan's way down the other end of the building. She doesn't need
I like a lot. Now, this is a product that I think I have shared with you just in talking to, but I don't think you've ever got to eat that. Oop, ice cream wreck. Okay. Sorry.
It's okay,
We'll fix it.
They have to lick your fingers.
I am. I'll walk up.
I have heard of this product.
Yeah.
Southern Farms. Look at that. Look at that. So this is, they raise their own bees.
Yes.
So they're packaging kind of
Yes.
the nuts here. Very nice. Small batch. Oh.
And then say they even date when it's processed, like, you know, when they honey came from them, batch and everything.
And
So
bees.
yes. So we're gonna put a little of this. This is pecan honey on top. They make a chocolate whipped honey, a cinnamon. Yeah. I just like the pecans. It's holidays. So.
Wow. Now this is a dessert that you can rally around, and it was so quick. And you do it after dinner. You could, like you said, you could prep these and cook them, but you really
As long as you keep it cold,
keep them
in the
cold.
refrigerator, and then once everybody's sitting down to eat, pop them in the oven.
Got it.
So get your spoon.
Oh, where's my spoon? Thank you. Now I want to get the whole experience here. So I got that. I got that. Okay.
We're gonna make a mess.
I didn't get any pumpkin, so I'm going in there for some
Get in.
pumpkin. There's a bite. Look at that. Cheers. Big mouth.
What do you think?
Home run.